We are investing in our students at ACU, and we're confident that the return on that investment will indeed be great.
Excuse me for interrupting, President.
Why am I not surprised? Why am I not surprised?
Hi.
Tell us who you are. You're Taki.
Yes.
I know you are.
My name is Taki. I'm from Hong Kong.
Thank you.
As I understand, the folks here are the people who give money to the university that helps paying our teachers' salary.
That is correct.
That's correct,
That's correct,
right?
Taki. Yes.
I've learned a lot since I've been at ACU, and I've been studying with so many excellent teachers here.
And who is this standing beside you here?
Oh, yes.
I know he is, but tell these people who he is.
This is Mr. Saltzman, who's my teacher for the interactive media class. And I would like to show you some of the things that I learned in his class. Is that okay?
Sure, go right ahead. Go right ahead. We'll look at the screen.
While Taki's getting ready, I just want to say that Taki was one of the finalists in the Student Film and New Media Competition, New Media Festival, and we're real proud of what Taki did. The assignment that we give is to incorporate the various different types of media into a multimedia presentation and to make it into a CD-ROM form. So Taki's You Can Cook CD has done really well. We're really proud of it. What we try to do is incorporate writing, video, sound, and graphics and bring them into one single package. So why don't you go ahead and show what you got, Taki?
Lights off. This is just the opening screen.
你好吗? Welcome to You Can Cook. My name is Chi Ming. Click on an area in my house and I will show you around.
This is a little guide in a CD-ROM title, and he will lead you through go through his house and show you some of the features. And in fact, that was my voice. After I inhale some helium. That's a joke. So you will see this is his house, and well, since this is You Can Cook Chinese cuisine, let's go to the kitchen. So I click here.
Okay. Let me show you some of my mom. Let me teach you some Chinese words.
I'm gonna stop him.
Are you ready to go?
Okay. Oh, yes, ready to go. Let me put Dr. Money, if you don't mind. And now, the guy called Chi Ming, he's gonna teach you some Chinese word. You have to really memorize all the words, and then he'll ask you one. You have to tell me what's the correct answer. Some of them are really difficult.
Yeah.
Meow. Meow. Ngap. Ngap. Cây. Cây. Ngao. Ngao. Ngao.
Which one? Cow. Yeah, that's easy.
That's correct. Ma. 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 Ma.
Which one? Three? Okay, three. It's horse.
Wrong.
We all think Taki said the same word there.
Should be this one. Ha. Ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Papa. Papa. Cha cha. Cha cha.
One. This is obvious.
That's correct. Ni hao ma? Ni hao ma? 再见，再见。我爱你，我爱你。谢谢，谢谢。你好吗？
One. Okay. Yeah.
That's correct. Good job. Your Chinese is very good.
Thank you. So when you're done, you quit, and this is a door to leave the house.
Are you sure you want to leave? Okay. Bye. Come back soon.
This is the CD-ROM project. If you want to order your copy, call to our 800 number. We accept major credit cards. And again, one more challenge. 谢谢再见, which is thank you and goodbye.
All right. Taki, that was wonderful. Thank you. And you saw it first